My little strawberry haul. I'm gonna put this on some Nutella toast. And I just got back from shopping, so I'm gonna show the things I got from the Plenty sale. Just in store, it's not their warehouse sale time yet, I don't think. She wrapped it in such a nice way too. Look at that. Still using my Ginza tote. I got a skirt and 2 vests because the vests I've been on the lookout for a while, but they were like $80 or something the last time I was there, and now they were each on sale for $30, which felt far more appropriate. I saw the skirt a while ago when I went to go watch a movie at Metropolis a couple months ago, and I saw this skirt and it was $90 and it was on sale for $35. So it's a really pretty skirt that has a little slit in it. It's just cute. It's just really nice. It's a floral. I love getting more into skirts in the spring and summer and even early fall here when the weather isn't too crazy. Skirts are amazing. I love. And then the 2 vests I got. So I was worried this color was gonna wash me out. I took a poll with some friends. Doesn't wash me out apparently, so that's great. I just tried it opened or closed. I want to wear vests on their own, but I want to wear them on top of other shirts as well. So I got this in that more beigey kind of khaki color, and then I got it in black because I always need one in black. This says it was $60. 'Twas not. I had to make sure. And these were both Monk and Lou because they're both the same vest. And then this, I don't think I have anything from Propaganda. So that was this line. I walked around a little bit more and considered going to a movie just as a spontaneous day, but I decided against it, and so I'm just home again now, obviously, and I'm just gonna hang out. Hello vlog. So we have a wedding coming up in 2 weeks and we're leaving shortly, so I'm trying on my outfits for the wedding. I bought this dress a little while ago. We've seen it before. We love it. She still fits. That's not surprising, but I'm deciding on accessories and things, and I like this combination a lot, but Tommy also just likes plain gold earring. I'm gonna do some fun outfit prep because we do leave soon, so I'm just gonna start getting everything together that I want to wear for those occasions. And then I also wanted to show that I bought an orange dress I should say, for October's wedding, so very excited about that. But yeah, I'm gonna go through, try on some things in my closet just for how I want to show up to that wedding. And yeah, I'm super excited. I love how I look in red too, so like I'm obsessed with this dress and I love how it fits still. And hair up just because it's super dirty and it's hair wash day, but it actually looks pretty good, so just planning. Do I look crazy with 2 different earrings? They're both hoops, so whatever. But I really like this. I don't know. Anyway, probably found the not rehearsal dinner. I don't know if they're having one. I also really love this dress that I bought from F as in Frank. It's really flowy, comfortable, and long enough that it won't show anything if I bend over because it's down to my knee, so that's great. I also want to bring a couple skirts just while we're there because it's gonna be really hot, but I also think it's just gonna be shorts weather really, because this is quite a sheer skirt, but I really like this skirt with that vest. So yeah, we're just exploring, watching Parks and Rec, just having a good time playing around in the closet. Wedding packing. Got my nippies.
Nice.
This one's mostly packed already. There's a lot in here, I'm aware. Found it buried. We are going for a wedding. Oh my god, it's just the humidity. I forgot. I didn't forget, I just wasn't ready. The air is very thick.
It is much faster.
extra, and you get
No drops.
It tests 4 things, not just 2.
Convenient.
The only thing is, it has to be somebody who can tell colors.
Oh!
I've spotted a flaw. Although the
That's why I'm here. I'm the color tester.
Yes.
I mean
You're the eyes of the.
Well, the other one.
the other one requires color too.
The other
It's
one
just
was-
colors Dad can see.
Now let's go!
Do they still do the farmers market in town on Sundays?
Oh, it's Saturdays.
Oh, it's
Ah.
Poopy.
Saturdays? We're gonna miss it then.
Both times.
I'm aware.
Oh.
I'm just gonna. I have a glass there by the.
Holy shebang.